Natural Dips here with another recipe from our kitchen to yours. Today we are working with one of our dips called Spinach Parm, available on our website at www.allnaturaldips.com, and we're going to be making a spinach parm bacon pasta. The first ingredients you're going to need is some already cooked pasta. Doesn't matter what kind, we've actually used rotini here. And you can pick your own favorite. My personal favorite is butterfly pasta. You're gonna need that. You're also gonna need any type of Alfredo white sauce. You need about 2 cups of it. And you're gonna need some already cooked chicken. And of course, the main ingredient that we're using is our spinach parm dip. So go ahead, once you've got your pasta in the bowl, you can go ahead and start adding all of these ingredients in. All right, I have the noodles, the chicken, and the Alfredo sauce. Time for the best ingredient, spinach parm. Once you have them all in the bowl, all you gotta do is mix it up really good. All right, once you've got it a good mixture going on there, you're gonna go ahead and put it into your already sprayed dish here. Once you've gotten all your pasta into your dish, you're gonna wanna flatten it out just a bit so it's nice and even on the dish. For the next step, you're gonna wanna take some mozzarella cheese. This recipe calls for any type of cheese. We just wanted to use mozzarella. We are using spinach parm, so you could use Parmesan cheese or really any type of cheese you want to use. We're going to use mozzarella, and it does call for 2 cups, which is this entire package of cheese. It's gonna be good. Just as you did with the pasta, you just kind of want to make sure it is evenly spread out and covering the top because it's going to melt right on down. Next, you're going to want to add about 5 to 6 pieces of cooked bacon, just right on the top. You can sprinkle it on. All right, next, we've already got our oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're back with our dish ready to go. The cheese has been melted, the bacon looks delicious on top, and our last bit that we want to add is a little bit of extra spices. Now we're using oregano, but you can also use anything like tarragon, or I would use garlic, but my whole family would hate me. So just sprinkle it on top, add that nice little greenery in there, parsley, whatever you got around the house. And you made that little extra oomph on there. It's ready to go. You can get ready to serve it. You're gonna wanna let it cool because it came out very hot, but it's ready and it will be delicious. Serves probably anywhere from 4 to 5 family members. Other options for this recipe, you can use our dips like artichoke Florentine, spinach a la licious, or even garlic festival if you're like me and love that garlic. All right, don't forget to find us online at www.allnaturaldips.com, and you can hashtag AllNaturalDips on social media.